Dudley Castle bounce. Feel the rhythm, make it count. Up and down, round and round. Dudley Castle sound. Ooh yeah, can you feel the thrill? Dudley's magic is a chill. Through the gates, we own the night. Castle vibes, electric bright.
After the moment's won, and scope the bikini built them up a daily fun. Wooden walls and a big old hill defended from the foe. The stone upgrades in the 100s, making it a pro. Derby Pagano took the reins at a tower so tall. But oh no, rebellion time, King Stephen made him fall. Dudley Castle, oh what a sight, standing proud on the hill so bright. From sea just to parties, ghosts in the night. Priory monk's brain, what a delight. Boogie down with history, feel the vibe. Dudley's past is alive and jive. Fast forward to Hunsing Sinky, Priory's on the scene. Cloniac monks were much Wenlock, living the dream. Praying and working in the stone abode. But Henry VIII said nope, dissolution mode. The Priory fell, turned the ruin so grand. Now it's a park where picnickers stand. 1640, civil wars in town. Royalists held the castle, the parliament tore it down. Cannons booming, walls are tumbling, what a messy fight. Now it's a zoo with animals, lions in the light. Ghostly grey lady wandering round, but we're dancing upbeat, no need to frown. It's a hot spot with views oh so fine. Castle and priory, history's designed. From medieval feasts to zoo escapades, Dudley's got stories that never fade. So grab your flags, map out the past. This upbeat tune makes learning a blast. Dudley Castle, oh what a sight, standing proud on the hill so bright. From sieges to parties, ghosts in the night. Priory monk's brain, what a delight. Boogie down with history,